This is Govee's new Triad Flood Light. It's running at 1% brightness, but is this worth the price? Well, let's go through the reasons that it is and maybe a few that might not make it worth it to you. Now, number one, I was pretty impressed with the materials and the construction. Now, it's got lots of metal on it. Some of this is plastic, but every piece here, I feel like it's gonna wear very well. The cable, it's really nice. You can get it quite far around your yard. And then these stakes, the ones they go into the ground. This is a pretty easy method for getting this oriented whatever way you would like. All in all, it's an easy installation and it's easy to tell that the Triad is gonna last. As with everything from Govee, the lights are incredibly bright. This is maybe one of the brightest products I've ever seen. Just turning on the white light when someone's coming up to your home or to illuminate something, it's an incredible light source that you can add anywhere in your yard and at any time. Now, Govee does have an outdoor motion sensor, so that can be an easy way to get this to turn on in a smarter way, or you can use Amazon or Google. Now, number three, the effects, the colors, and the different ways that you can orient these lights really changes this product into something that I think is pretty special. Most of the effects are what you would want them to be, with different holiday effects. They just make your home look incredible. You can also coordinate these with other Govee lights, other Triad floodlights, and I've had things like the outdoor rope lights as well. These all work together really well with something called Dream View. That's what Govee calls their light synchronization feature. So as far as I'm concerned, this totally is worth it, and these are some of my favorite outdoor fixtures immediately. I've had a lot of Govee products outdoors too, so I know they're pretty rugged. They'll survive the long haul. So this is a good purchase if you're looking for something to truly light up your home.